know, every day. I know. Dun, 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 dun. I know it's malaki, guys. You don't have to tell me that. Oh my god. I have a friend that's 67. What you don't have? Chubby. Oh, di ba? Tama naman si Kuya. You don't have to tell me every day because I know it's mine, no? I see it every day. Was, oh, hi. Good morning. I have 480 secret. I tell her every day already. Gusto nyo, you like guys? You want to have big mountains also? If I can donate, I'll donate. Like, you want? I'm 470. I have 169. Well, it's not my problem if I have days on my jeans. It's not, thank you though. It's not. I have 168. Because they keep on mentioning that it's not real. Guys, if I have a lot of money, I'm gonna buy house and lot, not surgeries. I'd rather invest in lots. I have 161. Ooh, right? You're just gonna ruin your body when you get older. You get the consequences. And I don't like consequences when I get old. Hi, number 152. Welcome, welcome. CA. What's wrong with my chair? Thank you. Yeah, I know it's malaki. Oh my god. I have 156. All guys. Morning. Wait, I'll be back.